The long-awaited and much requested portfolio feature is now available in the Edgewonk Trading Journal. Just under your Home tab button, you will see now a new menu called Portfolio. And what we do here is that we show you the performance and some data points across all your trading journals. So if you have more than one trading journal in your Edgewonk account, you will see now a summary of all your trading journals. At the top you have our 5 statistic widgets which show you your accumulated data for net return, win rate, the average P&L, the profit factor and our Edgewonk score across all your journals. Below you have a table with all your created trading journals in your Edgewonk account. You will see the name of the journal, your balance, the return in percentage and R multiple, the average P&L for each trading journal, your average trade outcome, the average R per trade, the profit factor, the win rate for each journal, how many trades you have journaled, the Edgewonk score, and at the end we have a graph showing you the development. So this shows you your percentage return for each journal and you can very nicely compare them right away. When we scroll lower you have an accumulated equity graph. So this is the equity graph over all of the trades that you have entered in all of your Edgewonk trading journals. We can go back to the top and then we can also change this to R multiple, and then a lot of the data points will adjust to R multiple, including your equity graph. When we scroll down further, we see an accumulated profit calendar. So the profit calendar shows you how many trades you've taken and the performance for each day across all of your Edgewonk trading journals. You also see an accumulated tilt meter, and then on the right you have your total statistic column for your summary for each trading week of the month. Next to the profit calendar, you'll see your performance by weekday. Again, this is across all of your trading journals. You can hover over each bar and then you get a summary for how many trades you have taken per day, the percentage return, how many losers, winners and break-even trades. Scrolling down even further, we have another table showing you the best and the worst trades. We're starting with the 10 best trades and then below you find the 10 worst trades. The first column shows you the name of the journal that the trade belongs to, the entry date, the exit date, the instrument, the setup, the direction, the return in percentage, and the return in R multiple. Next to that, we have a small evaluation box with some aggregated data points. The total number of trades in all of your Edgewonk trading journals, your largest winning trade, your largest losing trade, the average profit per day, how many trades you have taken per day and per week, and how often you have been following your trading plan. And then at the bottom, we have 4 more performance graphs, again, accumulated over all of your trading journals. So it's showing you the performance for your instruments, for your different setups across the journals, your performance by each month, and the performance by hour. By default, we take into account all of the different trading journals, but you can also use this drop down right here at the top right. And if you only want to look at a few select journals, you can use the checklist here in the drop down. And then you can only look at a few specific journals and then all of the data points will adjust here accordingly. We are very excited to hear your feedback on this new feature. This is version 1 of the portfolio and we are continuing to work on this. So in the video comments below this YouTube video, let us know what you think. Let us know what we should add next to our portfolio feature. And in the meantime, happy journaling.